initially the plan is to cover fights and to give our analysis. Okay, it's not just a UFC. It will be about boxing also. Okay.
Stylistically, this fight is so good.
The way he fights, man. All good, bro. How are you?
I'm good, man. I'm good. What's up?
Yes. यार व्हाट्सअप मेरे दो भाइयों से नहीं मिल रहा तू देखा नहीं तू बैकग्राउंड में कौन है
अरे अरे हाँ यार, मैन, Paulo Costa and Israel Adesanya. क्या बात है सर?
That's Sania.
These are your brothers?
These are my brothers. अच्छा Israel, Paula, say hi to Shobit. Shobit, say hi to them.
Salute to them, bro. Superb,
Exactly.
superb. You came with a family.
I came with the family. Our family, I would say.
Oh, our family, yes.
Our boys.
Superb.
Our boys.
Our boys. सही है ब्रो, सही है, सही है.
और भाई ये कब लिया? ये तूने पीछे कब लिया? ग्लोब कब लिया? आई नो तेरे को ट्रैवलिंग का बहुत शौक है. ये
Yeah.
ग्लोब कब लिया?
This, right? यार मैंने ना हमेशा देखता था बड़े बड़े even in our 90s films or anywhere also when they have a big offices, no, though they don't have anything, but then they must be having these things. So I always find it very cool. Because I love
It's
traveling.
actually
It's looking cool,
okay,
right?
okay.
So I love traveling,
looking very
and then I don't know, it just gives me a good feeling. That's why, man.
It's very nice.
तू मेरे को ये बता यार, ये क्या है? तूने मेरे को ऑनलाइन बुला दिया, किस लिए? ये नॉर्मल चिट चैट के लिए क्या लगा के बैठ दिया तूने भाई? जूम लिंक भेज दिया.
नहीं जूम यार हाँ आई मीन आई विल डेफिनेटली एक्सप्लेन यू. तो वही यार जैसे कि हम थैंक्स टू यू मुझे यूएफसी के बारे में पता चला, मुझे बॉक्सिंग के बारे में पता चला. मतलब मुझे बीइंग इन इंडिया मुझे क्रिकेट के अलावा कुछ नहीं पता था इन टर्म्स ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स, यू नो इट. ठीक है. बट जब तूने मुझे यूएफसी के बारे में बताया और बॉक्सिंग के बारे में बताया तब पता चला कि यार ये स्पोर्ट वर्ल्ड में कितना देखा जाता है और कितने तगड़े फैन फॉलोइंग है उसकी. And there is a reason behind it.
Right.
So I got very excited to it. And जब हमारी conversations भी होती थी, तो मुझे reason out करता था कॉनर मैकग्रेगर की फाइट है खबीब के साथ और कौन है कि जीत सकता है, क्या बैक स्टोरी है. तो हम ये सब फोन पे तो करते ही थे. बट आई थिंक अभी जैसा चल रहा है तो आई थॉट कि फोन पे कितनी देर बात करेगा यार कोई. So I just thought जो भी कॉन्वर्सेशन करते हैं थोड़ा जूम के ऊपर थोड़ा ऑनलाइन है तो हम काफी सही से डिस्कशन कर सकते हैं और काइंड ऑफ फैन एनालिसिस कर सकते हैं इस चीज का. सो आई जस्ट थॉट अ चैनल और आई मीन अ चैनल और अ प्रोसेस एनीथिंग यू कैन से जहाँ पे कि वी आर डिस्कसिंग एज कि क्या फाइट्स आने वाली है. तो ये व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस आइडिया? मतलब इट्स जस्ट अ रैंडम ऐसी सोच रहा था.
Are you serious about this? Like I saw your message in the afternoon.
अभी
मेरे को लगा मैसेज, मुकुल का मैसेज आया है. कॉल तेरा मैसेज नहीं उठा पाया था क्योंकि ट्रेनिंग में था. फाइट चैनल की बात कर रहे हैं इंडिया में. फाइट चैनल क्या हो गया इसको कोविड में भाई? तो so I didn't get it. I to be honest, I didn't take it seriously also. Like पता नहीं क्या बकवास है, जो भी है बाद में बात करूंगा फ्री होने के बाद. And then you'll be like, you should come on a Zoom link. I'll be sending you a Zoom link. Just come on Zoom link. I'll explain you everything. So now you're telling me it is absolutely serious.
It's absolutely. तभी मैंने ये बैकग्राउंड में इन दोनों की फोटो लगाई है so that you get to know that अच्छा हम क्या बात करने वाले हैं और why we are here, Zoom पे क्यों आ रखे हैं हम. और एज ए फैन डिस्कस करते हैं जैसे yeah.
So
बोल
this picture, this Adesanya versus Paulo Costa, are you going to discuss about them also today?
हाँ यार, of course. This is, I mean, तूने बताया था, I think it's a fight of the year.
Yeah, it's definitely fight of the year. But then, okay, so then what is this? क्या है भाई? मेरे को समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. क्या है ये ऑनलाइन तू बोला डिस्कस करेंगे? क्यों डिस्कस कर रही है? क्या है? Is this your channel?
यार वही यार हाँ, मतलब आई एम थिंकिंग, मैं वही सोच रहा हूँ कि एक चैनल होना चाहिए जहाँ पे कि यूएफसी को एज अ फैन हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में एज फैंस, जैसा हम यूजुअली करते हैं, यू नो, वी कैन स्पीक फॉर आवर्स कि क्या
Okay.
है, कौन सी फाइट आने, कौन जीतने वाला है, क्या इन्फॉर्मेशन है, क्या स्टोरी चल रही है उन सब लोगों की। दाना वाइट, जैसे तूने मुझे बता रहा था कि ही वाज द फर्स्ट पर्सन हु, यू नो, ड्यूरिंग दिस पेंडेमिक, हु डिसाइडेड कि नहीं, फाइट करेंगे तो करेंगे। आई मीन,
Yeah,
सो या
yeah.
यही प्लान हम डिस्कस करेंगे। सो यही है, मतलब डेफिनेटली एक चैनल है, and you know a lot about the sport than anybody else I know. So I thought it's best you come on board and we both are discussing about fights.
क्या बात कर रहा है भाई? You're making me popular now. So this is going to be a
एक
specific channel about you, about UFC or about fight game, period.
फाइट गेम है, फाइट गेम, जैसे यू नो अभी माइक टाइसन गोना फाइट दिस ईयर, सो we'll cover
Yeah,
that also.
supercharged.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
supercharged for that fight. Yeah,
But that made me, I think that was the tipping point. I think that made me think to start a channel. When we were discussing, you know, तू मुझे बता रहा था कि, you know, माइक टाइसन दोबारा से आ रहा है, तो
yeah,
क्या बातें करते हैं हम दोनों।
yeah,
इनफैक्ट जब ऑफिस भी जाते हैं, हम
yeah,
रास्ते में बात करते करते ऑफिस पहुंचते हैं, ठीक है,
yeah,
क्या फाइट होने वाली है, कौन वाला है, और मुझे बहुत एक्साइटिंग लगती है वो चीज यार,
yeah,
बिकॉज वी आर ओनली डिस्कसिंग, मतलब ज्यादा क्रिकेट वगैरह, यू नो,
yeah,
ठीक है,
yeah,
दैट हैज टुगेदर, मगर पीपल शुड नो कि ये गेम क्या है, व्हाई इट्स अ
right,
रियल ब्लड, यू नो,
yeah. Sport. I
इट्स अ
mean,
सैवेज,
this is actually a sport.
इट्स अ स्पोर्ट, या
Yeah,
एग्जैक्टली यार,
yeah.
मतलब
Beat boxing, beat MMA,
एब्सोल्युटली,
beat wrestling, everything. But I didn't imagine myself
एब्सोल्युटली।
coming, online and talking to you, and then I'm sure you're gonna upload this on your channel. So I'm just little nervous, but then I'm excited also. Very excited for this.
Yeah, we'll cover the sport. We as fans, again. So the reason I'm saying fan, we are not expert.
Yeah,
So we have
yeah.
learned, we fallen
Hmm.
in love with the sport over the period of time. ठीक है? So
Right.
हमारे expert opinion, मगर as a fan हम अपना analysis देंगे, तेरा analysis की क्या है fight के बारे में यार।
Yeah, so I get it. So again, because everything now we are talking, we hadn't really planned anything before because you wanted me to come online
Yeah,
and then
yeah.
you wanted to just go on with the flow, right? If that is a thing. So,
Exactly,
so,
exactly.
so like what is it? Like you said, this is a channel. Will there be
Mhm.
episodes? Will there be what? Like, will there be, for example, if they, because if UFC keep doing fights, boxing keep doing fights.
Exactly.
So are we gonna
Mm.
talk about those events? What is exactly gonna happen? Like there will be episodes of our from our side, and then there will be only two of us, or there will be more people joining from like with your. What is the plan?
Yeah, initially the plan is to cover fights and to give our analysis. ठीक है,
Okay.
it's not just about UFC, it will be about boxing also. ठीक
Okay.
है,
Yeah.
अब गोइंग फॉरवर्ड, पहले अगर हम फाइट्स कवर कर रहे हैं, मतलब जो फाइट्स आने वाली हैं, और जैसा तू बोल रहा है कि, यू नो, बहुत इनकी फाइट्स आती रहती हैं, तो
Mm-hmm.
हम भी जो भी कोई फाइट होगी उसको कवर करेंगे, वो डिसाइड कर सकते हैं हम कि कौन सी फाइट्स होगी।
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है, उसके फाइट से पहले हम बता सकते हैं कि ये फाइट है, और यू नो, ये प्लेयर्स हैं, ये उनका बैकग्राउंड है, ये उनके स्टैट्स हैं,
Right.
और कौन जीत सकता है, ठीक है। उसके
Right.
बाद हम जैसे देखते हैं कि हमें वेइन बहुत पसंद है, तो
Oh.
प्रॉब्लम हम वेइन भी कवर कर सकते हैं, है ना, कि प्रिपरेशन कैसे हो रही है, और जो वो सामने, यू नो, दे
Oh.
आर कमिंग, यू नो, इन फ्रंट ऑफ द ऑडियंस, एंड सब कुछ हो रहा है जो कुछ
So
भी,
it
वेइन हम उस तरीके से
he love this sport, and India.
मतलब,
I don't know why, but then there's always this thing comes in my mind whenever we talk about contact sports in India. Though it's not banned, boxing it's not banned,
uh,
and it's not
mm,
taboo, but it seems taboo.
it seems a taboo,
It seems taboo.
like a lot of other things.
Yeah, like a lot of other things.
Yeah,
In India specifically, we don't consider this as a sport, which is very unfortunate. We don't consider this
exactly,
as a sport, right? And people like me, you,
exactly,
and then we have couple of friends also. We love the sport. We like to be on,
exactly.
top of everything. Like what is happening in their life? What's gonna be the next event? What are the big fights coming up? what promotions,
Exactly.
and even in India also, like who are fighting, who's not fighting, what's happening with Vijender Singh, why he came in the fucking politics and everything. So
Exactly.
it's so interesting, and I'm sure because whenever I go through the Instagrams and everything in India, trust me when I'm saying this, I have seen
Okay.
people are fan of this sport. People are really fan of this.
अच्छा.
They follow these international athletes. They're fan. They just don't
Athletes,
know. Yeah, might be like us only, like we follow. But there are,
What to do?
like I tell you, there are multiple boxing camps which runs. Obviously now, because now Vijender Singh has made it very big from our country. Now, but
Absolutely.
then there
Absolutely.
have been many boxing camps. Like when I was very young, I used to visit those boxing camps. There were many boxing camps, right? There were many students of those sport. So what
Yeah.
happened to those students? And where are those people now?
Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah.
And they're nowhere because we don't give them chance. There are
We don't even talk about it.
we don't even talk about it correctly.
Exactly. So probably, मतलब अभी I'm just thinking on my feet. Probably our channel in future, maybe I don't know.
Yeah.
बहुत ही over चीज हो सकती है. We can be a voice
We can be a voice. But तेरे को एक बात बताऊं?
of.
तेरे को एक बात बताऊं? We have a channel here, MMA India, right? Because
Okay. Do we? अच्छा.
we do have a channel of MMA India. I don't follow that a lot, but I've gone through a couple of things, and they're doing good also. They're also coming up with all this
They're doing good.
debates, everything what is happening in the mixed martial arts or everything in sports periodly. You know, be it any other promotions also in different because we have different promotions.
Okay.
इवन इंडिया में भी तो अब राज कुंद्रा वगैरह इन सब ने पैसे लगा लिए है ना, ये शिल्पा शेट्टी के हस्बैंड ने और ये बाकी सब ने, ये जैकी श्रॉफ का बेटे का नाम क्या है यार उसका, टाइगर श्रॉफ ने भी पैसे लगा लिए. मैं भूल गया उसका नाम, भूल गया, बोले कि लोग जूते मारेंगे मेरे को.
फादर का नाम नहीं आना.
तो ये सब इन्वॉल्व है. इंडिया में एक प्रमोशन है जिसके लिए तो को याद है माइक टाइसन इंडिया आया था.
माइक टाइसन इंडिया आया था.
राइट.
आई थिंक 2-3 साल
नहीं यार, आई थिंक पिछले साल ही आया था. पिछले साल आया था.
अच्छा हाँ, पिछले साल हो गया.
पिछले साल आया था. बहुत न्यूज बन रही थी, ये सलमान खान का बॉडीगार्ड उसको प्रोटेक्शन दे रहा है. वो फकिंग इज अ माइक टाइसन यार. यू गेट योरसेल्फ अ लाइफ, राइट?
एग्जैक्टली.
बट एंड बाय द वे एमएमए इंडिया तेरे को पता है किसकी है? यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड. एंड आई वाज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन आई गॉट टू नो दिस, एंड आई गॉट सो फैसिनेटेड ऑल्सो. एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट टुडे वी आर ऑल्सो डूइंग दिस, एंड थैंक्स टू यू. ये एमएमए इंडिया है. देयर इज अ एक्टर, तूने वो देखा होगा, वो कौन सी मूवी थी यार, खुराना वाली कौन सी मूवी थी वो यार?
खुराना वाली,
खोसला का घोसला.
अच्छा.
तो खोसला का बेटा होता ना, एक तो हरामी टाइप का होता है रणवीर शोरी, कतई कैंट, और एक उसका भाई होता है प्रवीण डबास.
actor.
Yeah, the actor. Praveen Dabas. He's the actor. He was also very fascinated about this particular sport, you know, MMA. I was reading about him. Yeah. Like us. He was very fascinated about this sport. And then back in, I guess, 2016 only, he has started this venture called MMA India.
अच्छा, एक सेकंड, तू बोल रहा है कि प्रवीण डब्बास का चैनल है एमएमए इंडिया?
Yeah. He has this proper website, bro. He has this proper website. Do check out because now we are starting this thing. Do check out this website, and it's so good. I feel so good that he came up with this idea. I mean, of course, he has a lot of the opportunity is very easy for him as comparison to us. He has already a stronghold over the audience.
Already nice. इंडिया में ऐसा ये नहीं पता था मुझे. That's very good यार. अगर it's already happening, it's very good यार.
I mean, it's already there.
Exactly. अब मैं बताता हूँ कि इस कॉन्वर्सेशन को अगर आगे ले जाओ ना, अभी मेरे लिए टिपिंग पॉइंट क्या था कि मैं स्पोर्ट में तो इंटरेस्टेड हुआ था लास्ट ईयर की फाइट, क्योंकि हम बोल सकते हैं फाइट ऑफ द ईयर और फाइट ऑफ द डेकेड कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, जो थी खबीब वर्सेस कॉनर मैकग्रेगर। तो तब मुझसे
लास्ट ईयर,
दैट वाज लास्ट ईयर, हाँ। ऐसा लग रहा है काफी टाइम हो गया। मैंने ना उस फाइट को कम से कम आई डोंट नो 3-4 बार तो मैंने यूट्यूब में रिपीट में देखा उस फाइट को यार, मजे आ गए थे। आई स्टिल नॉट, इट्स लाइक अ फिल्म फॉर मी यार, अभी भी मैं उसको दोबारा देख सकता हूँ।
अरे मैं भी बहुत बार देख लेता हूँ, अपने डैड को भी दिखा देता हूँ, देखो 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 जबरदस्ती देखो।
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली। फाइट तो मतलब डेफिनेटली, हाँ मतलब वो फाइट तो डेफिनेटली इट हैज गॉन टू द हिस्ट्री एज वन ऑफ द ग्रेटेस्ट फाइट। आई रियली वांट टू टॉक अबाउट दिस। I want to talk about this fight, UFC 23. That
you hit the right button, bro.
So people really want to know from you.
Yeah.
People.
Who are these people? Nobody wants to know it from me. You want to know it from me. Who are these people?
The nation wants to know. सही बता रहा हूँ मैं. The nation wants to know कि कौन फाइट जीतेगा.
Bro, आजकल nation wants to know नहीं चल रहा है. आजकल चल रहा है
क्या?
हिंदी वाला पूछता है भारत. पूछता है भारत.
पूछता है भारत. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Arnab Goswami is so hilarious. He's so hilarious. That is again one of the.
He doesn't know.
And he doesn't know. He doesn't know.
He doesn't.
But he's so damn hilarious. I'm telling you, he's a fucking competitor to every single huge comedian in our country. I'm telling you, bro, he's playing it. Arnab Goswami is playing it.
Absolutely.
He's so fun. With his Hindi, he's so fun. He's so handsome. He's amazing. He's so fun.
Exactly. Yeah. They would.
But now I'm excited about talking about this particular event, UFC 253, which is coming up.
Hi, I really definitely. I also want to know.
Yeah.
What is?
So this UFC 253 is a massive.
Start with. Okay.
Yeah, you know, it's massive event. It's happening at Fight Island. You know where Fight Island is? Yes Island. It's Abu Dhabi. You know, that is the place. Okay. So Dana White has actually what he said it. He has done that. So you remember when COVID suddenly happened and everything got locked down? Dana White came out and everybody was figuring out like, what is exactly happening. But then Dana White came out in public and then made an announcement that there will be a fucking island. There will be a separate island. I'm going to do it, and then we will be the first sport to back on television. And that's exactly happened.
Absolutely, man.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
That's exactly happened. He came out. He rented this island in Abu Dhabi, and the whole vicinity. You know, he got in kilometers, some miles of radius. There's nobody else than him and his team. There's been a separate gyms. The hotel is for the athletes. You know, everybody's COVID tested again and again, and they are positive. They're negative. I'm sorry, they're negative. So they're taking care of everything so amazingly, so well. I mean, yeah, it's absolutely a safe place, to be honest, on planet to roam. Okay. That Fight Island, it's absolutely safe. It's causing this Paulo Costa and Israel Adesanya. You know, they both are undefeated. That is a main event of this, UFC 253. And it's a ridiculous fight. You know, it's so big. It's bang on rivalry, right? It's they don't like each other. They don't want to see each other. They both hate each other. Like literally they hate each other. Yeah.
Hate each other.
Yeah. And it's a fight for the belt, for the middleweight, weight class belt, for the middleweight championship. So it's a fight. Okay. And everybody's saying, like Dana White has also said a couple of times, that it's gonna be a fight of the year. It is that massive.
Yeah, I heard that.
Fight of the year, right? You heard it. So it's gonna be a fight of the year. Israel Adesanya is undefeated. He's a skinny boy. He's skinny, right? And he's like, stylistically, this fight is so good. I tell you how. Because Israel Adesanya, tried to fight with a distance. He's so good with his distance, with his range. You know, he's so good with that. So he likes to be away from the opponent and then and then wait for the counter strikes. He's very good with his
Okay.
counter.
Okay.
On the other side,
Counter.
we have Paulo Costa. Now, Paulo Costa is
Mhm.
he's a beast in that division. He's a beast of that division. He's from Brazil. He's
Mhm.
again undefeated. He's a black belt jiu-jitsu,
Yeah.
right? He's
Mm.
he's training.
Oh.
Yeah, he's training since a very young age, alongside his brother. So he has a massive team. So and he's very strong. He's a muscular guy. He's not skinny as Adesanya,
Pretty muscular.
and he's fast.
Yeah.
And he's super fast. He has a
Yeah.
power. He has a power. So Israel Adesanya has a
Acha.
precision. Paulo Costa has a power and
Mhm.
speed. So stylistically, like
Oh.
Israel Adesanya try to maintain a distance and wait for the counter punches, and Paulo Costa is just
Mm.
go inside like a bull, like an American bull.
Okay.
Just go inside and pressure, pressure, pressure,
Acha.
pressure. So one athlete is
Acha.
trying to make a distance. On the other side, the other athlete is trying to make a pressure. So imagine it is that good, that fight is.
Exactly.
Yeah, one has a absolute stunning
Exactly.
power, and one has a precision.
Uh,
Yeah, it's so they're having so much of hatred against each other.
and then with Dana White keep on saying that it's a savage fight. It's a savage fight.
Yeah,
But if you look at it, if you look at the number of fights,
yeah,
Paulo Costa 30,
yeah,
no loss.
yeah.
Israel Adesanya 95, no loss.
No loss.
So in terms of experience अगर देखें, तो I mean of course ने ज्यादा fights लड़ रखी है, but इसका फर्क पड़ता है
यार
कि
फर्क
कौन
पड़ता है,
ज्यादा
बहुत
fight
फर्क
कर
पड़ता है एक्सपीरियंस का. मैं तेरे को बताता हूँ, बट लेकिन see these now here we're talking about MMA fights. Paulo
अच्छा
Costa has multiple jiu-jitsu fights.
अच्छा
As an amateur, he had lot of fights which he had won before. So his resume
okay
is big.
okay
Now here, when you see
hmm.
the number 13, we are talking about the MMA fights only. But he has
We
been
are
a
talking
wrestler, he
अच्छा
has been a jiu-jitsu player, and he has been, fighting amateur also. So that experience also counts.
अच्छा
Likewise, Israel Adesanya has always been a kickboxer. So
yeah
Israel
I'll come
Adesanya,
also yeah.
Israel Adesanya
Uh,
must have had, above 80 number of fights, 80 odd number of fights
okay
he had in his resume. Now we're talking about
okay
MMA, and the both guys are undefeated, like you see. So they are undefeated. One is a challenger, one is a champion.
and they want to kill. I mean, they have so much, as you said, they have so much of hatred against each other. That's
Yeah,
why, uh, you know, Dana White ने repeatedly बोला it's a savage fight and
yeah,
it's a fight of the year. मगर जैसा if you look at it, जो मैंने पढ़ा था कि Israel Adesanya जो है is a kickboxer, so he likes to use his legs a lot.
yeah,
Opposite है Paulo जो बिल्कुल घुस के फाइट करता है like a bull जैसे तू बोल भी रहा है.
yeah.
So don't you think ये
Excuse me.
पॉल मतलब एक डिफरेंट फाइट होगी मतलब ये पॉल कोस्टा उसके ऊपर हैवी हो सकता है मतलब ही कैन गिव अ ग्रैपल भी कर सकता है ना वो तो ही हैज लॉट ऑफ
Yes,
थिंग्स
yes,
इन हिज बैग इन
yeah,
टर्म्स ऑफ व्हाट ही थ्रो क्या
yeah.
लग रहा
Like you're saying, he's having a lot of tools as comparison to Israel Adesanya. That's what you're saying.
है हाँ एग्जैक्टली दैट्स
Okay.
माय yeah
Yeah, in a way you're right, because Paulo Costa is a black belt jiu-jitsu player and Israel Adesanya is a blue belt, right? Or Paulo Costa has been coming from Brazil,
अच्छा
where
ओके
jiu-jitsu has been born. So Paulo Costa is good in the grappling. He's stronger. At least when we see each other, when we see these two athletes, Paulo
या
Costa is definitely stronger. He's loaded with full of strength.
डेफिनेटली
But Israel Adesanya is very difficult to catch. He's
ओ
difficult to catch.
अच्छा
He'd like to maintain a distance.
हाँ
Where
ओके
you gonna
ओके
use
ओके
his strength until unless you won't be able to hit him. So he's
अच्छा
quick,
ओके
right?
अच्छा
He plays on the timing. That's what.
अच्छा ओके
But you're right. Paulo Costa has many tools. under his belt as comparison to the Israel Adesanya. Israel Adesanya is good with his legs and striking, you know. But then Paulo Costa, what happens if Paulo Costa took Israel Adesanya down? Then what will happen? We're gonna see that. That is what we're gonna see.
We're gonna see that.
Yeah, that is what.
अच्छा, if I say अगर तेरे को if you have to put money,
Yeah.
so which fight you would back? किस पे लगाएगा?
Oh man.
And
I mean, I don't know. This is such a big fight, such a tough fight. Both have spoken about each other a lot. They both look very, very confident. You know, they both look
yeah,
amazingly confident. They
exactly.
are very. They both are supremely talented. Like you see in their resume, they are undefeated, and everybody they have beaten. You know, everybody they have beaten in style.
Yeah.
And they because weight has to be equal, so they'll maintain a weight, and it will be those tough. Yeah. But reach,
What?
like you can see in your chart, reach. Israel Adesanya has an advantage of reach, and it's a big advantage.
Yeah, see,
Can you see the difference?
it's a big advantage.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's a big difference. Yeah.
such a big advantage of reach. Then Israel Adesanya also having a height advantage, right? Yeah, so
Yeah, absolutely.
attributes are very, very important when it comes to MMA. Reach and height, it's very important.
इस पर आई थिंक तूने मुझे पहले ही बता रखा ये जो छोटी छोटी चीजें होती है इट मेक्स ह्यूज डिफरेंस जो ऑक्टागन के अंदर जब रियल फाइट होते हैं ना ये छोटी छोटी चीजें काफी बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करती हैं, है ना?
बड़ा डिफरेंस क्रिएट करती हैं. I will also like to show you like Israel Adesanya. By the way, Israel Adesanya has won the fight of the year before also. So yeah, I like to correct you. Yeah, I like to correct. So McGregor versus Khabib happened in 2018, if I'm not wrong.
Okay.
Right, 2018.
I can check.
But then it was not the fight of the year. Fight of the year was Israel Adesanya versus Kelvin Gastelum. Kelvin Gastelum was a number one contender. He also fought Israel Adesanya. And
yeah, sorry, Shobit, you're right. October 2018 was this fight. Anyways,
look at this fight. So this was a fight with Kelvin Gastelum.
Oh, man. So who was that guy? Kelvin?
Kelvin Gastelum again was a challenger. This happening and it was they have won the fight of the year. Look at this.
Oh man. Oh shit. Man.
Oh my god, the spray of blood. Oh, they can stop this
fight. Look at that, man.
Final 10 seconds. Gastelum goes down. Wow.
This was 2019.
Okay, last year. Okay.
Yeah. So Israel Adesanya and Kelvin Gastelum. Kelvin Gastelum is such a solid competitor. He's so good with his striking. He's a striking guy. And remember, and see, you just saw Israel Adesanya and Kelvin Gastelum. They both fought like a dog. It was a dog fight. They went on to fight for 5 rounds. But man, Paulo Costa जिससे भी लड़ा है ना, उसने उसको खत्म कर दिया है. He went for he literally stepped in for a kill.
I mean, पता है क्या? I've never got scared of seeing someone. मतलब the way he fights, man, literally ऐसा लगता है खत्म नहीं हुआ है and 2.5 किलो वाला हाथ जो बोलते he really
तू सही बोला 2.5 किलो वाला हाथ इसी का
Exactly, यार बड़ी exciting fight होने वाली. But अभी जो clipping तूने दिखाई है लग रहा है कि he's also a good puncher. मतलब लो Israel Adesanya है, he's also can punch.
Oh man, he's very sharp. He's very, very sharp with his. He's very fast with his hands. Very sharp. Wait for the correct timing. He's very good with his counter punches. And your screen got freeze, bhai.
Exactly.
Now it's okay. Yeah. So that was the thing.
I think I can see you now.
Yeah. So that was the thing, and then Israel Adesanya also defeated a champion. How he became a champion? He defeated Robert Whittaker. एंड तेरे को पता है ना ये न्यूजीलैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया की
अच्छा
हमेशा से राइवलरी रही है, न्यूजीलैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया की, जस्ट लाइक इंडिया पाकिस्तान,
हम्म
न्यूजीलैंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया की. तो Robert,
डेफिनेटली
yeah. So Robert Whittaker is a champion of middle. He was a middleweight champion, and he's from Australia. So
अच्छा
Israel Adesanya,
हो गया
he became a challenger after defeating Calvin Gastelum. He became a challenger, and Israel Adesanya from New Zealand.
अच्छा
So now one we have a champion
अच्छा
from
he's from
Australia. He's from New Zealand. Yeah, he's from New Zealand.
oh that I did not know अच्छा
Yeah.
okay
I mean, he has an origin from somewhere from Africa, but then he's from New Zealand. He based out of New Zealand. So then
he's
the
from
rivalry started happening between
अच्छा
Australia and New Zealand. That was a thing. And and Israel Adesanya, defeated Robert Whittaker. Yeah.
yeah if I have to put the money ना मैं तो Paul Costa पे लगाऊंगा because
Paulo Costa पे.
I don't know somehow I have a feeling gut feeling Paul Costa में because
Yeah.
somehow I have a feeling that he can मेरे को एक edge है एक चीज का edge है उसके पास मतलब
Yeah.
he's good with legs he gets into the guy submission होता है
Yeah.
मतलब he has यार तो वो थोड़ा advantage तो है but you
Right.
never know but my favorite in this fight would be him
Would be him.
definitely.
Because Israel Adesanya has spoken a lot about Paulo Costa. Lot of bad things about Paulo Costa. Yeah, and
Okay.
Izzy has a very good, he has a good command over language. Paulo Costa, being a Brazilian, he's just whenever he tries to
अच्छा
speak in English, he makes fun out of himself. So that was also again. So that is also one of the reasons. And today was a press
Yeah.
conference, by the way.
अच्छा
Yeah.
हाँ go on please
So today was a press conference, and the way Paulo Costa was speaking, he's making fun out of himself. And Israel Adesanya on the other side, taken a complete advantage, and then just shut him down in the press conference. तो मेरे को लग रहा बेचारा पोलो कोस्टा यार लिख के आया था लिख के रट के आया था भाई
अच्छा I think एक और fight है ना एक और co-main event
Yeah, another good fight.
ये fight है एक और
Yeah, एक और है another good fight, which is between which is a co-main event, which is a light heavyweight fight, and it's an interesting fight. I tell you how. It's between
अच्छा
Dominic Reyes and Jan Blachowicz.
अच्छा
Jan Blachowicz is a Polish fighter, by the way.
okay
So he also came up after defeating Luke Rockhold. He defeated him in a style, and
अच्छा
then Dominic Reyes. He's got a lot of support from the people, from the spectator, from the fans, because a lot of people thought that Dominic Reyes has won the fight between John Jones and him. He's the one who won it. So John Jones, who was the king of light
अच्छा
heavyweight division, he has vacated a title, and there was a fight between John Jones and Dominic Reyes the last fight, and they both went to a distance, 5 rounds. So a lot of people thought, a lot of fans thought that even I also gave it to Dominic Reyes, this 3-2. I also gave it to Dominic Reyes. Of course, we have judges, right? Nobody can question judges.
Yeah,
So judges has given to John Jones
yeah
again. So he has lost only one fight, and that was against John Jones. So now, because John Jones and UFC are going back and forth to each other, they have a lot of acquisitions and everything
okay
on the pay cuts and everything. So, because there's a lot of disturbance, John Jones has vacated a title because he's been not defending it. UFC wanted him to defend. वो बोलता था भाई पैसे दे मेरे को ज़्यादा चाहिए पैसे चाहिए इतना टाइम से because he's arguably the greatest pound for pound number 1 athlete. But then उसने बोला ज़्यादा पैसे चाहिए. Dana White ने बोला निकलने यहाँ से नहीं मिलेंगे. ठीक है तो ऐसे करके बहुत इनकी ट्विटरबाजी बहुत चली भाई इनकी आपस में लगे रहे भाई एकदम ऐसे पर लेकिन फिर उसके बाद क्या हुआ फिर उसने टाइटल ले दिया कि मैं तो नहीं लड़ रहा तो एट द एंड किसी को तो डिफेंड करना था टाइटल यू कांट होल्ड अप अ डिवीजन नो तो अभी बेल्ट लटक रही है भाई बीच में और इधर है जॉन ब्लावोविच और इधर है डोमिनिक रेस अभी वो WWF का लैडर मैच हो गया, जिसने बेल्ट ले ली.
अच्छा.
So it is again a championship match.
अच्छा सर.
Dominic Reyes and
मेरे पास स्टैट्स भी है, मैं तो दिखाता हूँ, बिकॉज़ मैं तुझसे जानना चाहता था.
स्टार्ट का तूने बड़ी तैयारी करके आया तू पहले एपिसोड में, मेरे को बताता ना, मैं भी
If you look at it, I want to start with age.
Yeah.
या मैंने बस ऐसी अब ऐसी रख लिया अपने पास. आई जस्ट थॉट रिव्यूज लेता हूँ. जैसे अगर इफ यू लुक एट इट, जैन ब्लावोविच,
Yeah.
ही इज 37 years old,
Yeah.
and
Big difference.
Dominic Reyes 30 years old.
Yeah.
So, big difference ना. So does it make any difference in terms of, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, मतलब एज अ व्यूअर, अगेन एज अ फैन, कि यार ये तो डेफिनेटली स्टैमिना का गेम है. 5 राउंड आना है, डेफिनेटली एज तो का फैक्टर जरूर होता होगा. ठीक है.
अरे 100% होता है भाई.
बट आई थिंक तूने मुझे कुछ बताया था जैन ब्लावोविच के बारे
मैं ये बोल रहा था, ये अभी आखिरी के दौर पे ना, बिकॉज ही हैज लॉस्ट फाइट एज यू कैन सी, बट आखिरी के कुछ टाइम में ही हैज बीन विनिंग फाइट्स, ही हैज बीन ऑन अ विनिंग स्ट्रीक. सो जैसे इसने अच्छे अच्छे प्लेयरों को हराया, इसने कोरी एंडरसन को हराया है, इसने ल्यूक रॉकहोल्ड को हरा दिया अभी. आफ्टर दैट he has also challenged
अच्छा?
John Jones, yeah, but then John Jones obviously
fighter.
now he's not there in the division. So then so now he is fighting Dominic Reyes. So Dominic Reyes, who's a southpaw is basically जो lefty होते हैं ना, lefty, उनको ये southpaw बोलते हैं. So he's a southpaw. He's very good again with his counters. He's a counter player. He's very good with that. So Jan Blachowicz is again very powerful. So on the similar term, like Dominic Reyes is again a powerful man. They both are very, very powerful when it comes to strength. But Dominic Reyes, I believe, like I can bet here. Like if I have to put money, I have to put money on Dominic Reyes. I will put money on Dominic Reyes here. It is easy for me to judge. Like it's going to be easy. I think it's going to be a smooth victory by Dominic Reyes. Yeah, he will be a champion.
Really?
Yeah.
But if you say if you think Jan Blachowicz, he's on a winning spree,
yeah,
तो उस हिसाब से तो I don't know.
Yeah, but then I mean I agree your point, because Jan Blachowicz is on the winning streak and Dominic Reyes lost his last fight. But then Dominic Reyes lost a fight against a guy who's been number 1, period. And Dominic Reyes went to a distant 5 round with a guy who's been number 1, arguably the greatest in in MMA. Yeah, all the other fights he has fought, he has won it. He has won it by knockouts. He's a knockout artist in this division. Yeah, he's huge. He's he's good. His height is of course, like you can see, there's an advantage of height. There's an advantage of age. And ये जान ब्लाचोविच के हाथ बड़े लंबे हैं भाई. थोड़े से इसके हाथों की रीच थोड़ी ज्यादा है.
198 exactly. But तू ये बोल रहा है कि इस you are very certain, and if you have put your money, you put it on this guy.
Yeah, it's easy for me to judge.
That's really nice.
Yeah, though I mean it's MMA, easy. It's a contact sport. Anything can happen. One punch and then lights can totally go off for anybody. But then when it's a skillful game also. It's a skillful, because that is it's all about, no?
Yeah.
Like we all know, कि एक punch पड़ेगा and lights can absolutely turn off anytime. One punch can change MMA game. But where is your skill? Because ultimately at the end it is a skillful game. So Dominic Reyes on the other side, he's very skillful.
Also,
yeah. As a fan, when I've seen his fights, so I find him more skillful than the Jan Blachowicz. That is what I'm saying.
Blachowicz.
Yeah. So I will put money on my Dominic on this fight. Yeah.
On this fight.
On this fight, yeah. He'll be a champion according to me.
Nice.
Yeah.
He'll be a champion.
Yeah.
Okay. Acha, so before we sort of wrap this up, and it's very again very exciting to discuss so far. But आगे आने वाली कौन-कौन सी fights में भी जो कि हम we can do that. कौन-कौन सी फाइट्स आ गई है और जो आ रही है?
उस पे तो करना है. Probably we can invite Mohit Binjola with us on this. Let's bring
That
him.
day from Russia
Yeah,
all
from
the way.
Russia itself. Let's bring Khabib. Let's bring him. Online लेंगे.
Exactly. भाई वो ऑफेंड हो जाता है if you say anything.
हाँ, खबीब के अगेंस्ट तुम कुछ बोल नहीं सकते उसके. Yeah.
किसने बोल सकता है? Exactly.
So
Okay. हाँ, you're talking about the upcoming fights.
Yeah, good fights are coming up. Like you said, you mentioned Khabib versus Gaethje. Light heavyweight, lightweight.
Gaethje, yeah.
So that is a super fight.
Lightweight.
Yeah. So then we have dude, our favorite, the Iron Mike Tyson versus Roy Jones Jr. You know that fight, boxing, legends. Two legends are fighting.
Yeah.
Legends in their prime, now they're fighting.
Exactly.
They both are above 50 and they're fighting now. And you have seen the footage, no? You've seen the videos. They're looking ferocious. So, like, I'm a fan, but then I would be petrified sitting next to Mike Tyson.
Mike Tyson, he is sitting.
I mean, you can't take it lightly. You can't. I mean, it's your life. You can't sit next to Mike Tyson. Come on, man.
ये बता पहले मेरे को भी होता था कि ये इंडिया टाइम पे कितने बजे होती है फाइट्स अप्रोक्सीमेटली.
यार ये मेरे को भी अभी याद नहीं है.
कहाँ पे है ये?
नहीं, ये अभी मेरे को भी याद नहीं है because it is happening in Abu Dhabi, which is I guess 3 hours or 3.5 hours away from late from our time.
हाँ, तो ज़्यादा डिफरेंस
है ना. तो आई थिंक लेट नाइट ये फाइट स्टार्ट होगी सैटरडे को.
ओके.
सैटरडे को लेट नाइट फाइट स्टार्ट होगी.
देख रहा हूँ पहले पता नहीं होता था फाइट्स कितने बजे आ रही है, इंडिया टाइम पे कितने बजे आ रही है. जब तक उठता था फाइट खत्म हो जाता है. शिट यार, मिस कर दी.
ये थोड़ा सा बैड लगता है हमारे यहाँ.
हाँ, probably
it's happening Saturday night, so you can put on your television, Saturday. Check out the schedule on 10 HD, and then you can see UFC 253 live happening on certain time, so you can go and check it out. So that's not a problem. So everybody can check out. Yeah.
Great.
So fight fan.
That's great way to.
That's great way. I would also suggest you that we can also invite people to talk. People who are fan like us.
How?
Let them come in. Let them join us. Do join us, guys. Do let us know. Write it on the comment के किसको क्या बात करनी है, कैसे करनी है. Just do exactly. Reach out to us.
Yeah. Exactly.
Is that correct way to end?
हमने नाम नहीं बताया. So my name is Mukul and he's Shobit. Probably हमें starting बताने चाहिए था, मगर I don't know.
Yeah. Is it showing? Nothing is showing, no?
Yeah, I can. नहीं यार, I can hear it. I can hear.
I can see nothing is been playing out. Something is wrong.
Exactly.
That's a little goof up which is happening with
exactly.
us. ये goof up होते थे ना हमारे ऑफिस में.
Yeah,
तो
thank you so.
अच्छा ये प्रोडक्ट नहीं चल रहा. अरे वो टेक्निकल इशू है.
IT को बुलाओ. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you so much for this information. I think we covered good in terms of who could be the potential winner on both these fights. And the way we started, I think we'll continue this series. Every time we'll have our analysis before the fight. We'll going forward, we'll also cover weighing and boxing and all other contact sports. We'll invite people. We'll build a community. Yeah. We are talking about the sports.
Yeah.
You say.
Take care, bro. Chalo. Thanks for inviting me. Thank you.
Good night.
Let's roll it.
Bye.
Bye. Take care. Good night.